the Improvato dashboard. Today I'll be walking you through how to set up your dashboard and create a new report so you can get started really quickly. First, you want to start on the data sources page. Here you can navigate to the data sources page by looking on the left panel and selecting the first tab, Data Sources. Here you want to connect to all the various ad accounts from which you want to pull your advertising campaign data. So if you scroll down, you can view all the different integrations. Here you can hit connect, enter your login information for this specific account, and hit save. Once you connect to these various platforms, you can start creating your report. Hit create a report and generate the report. As soon as you enter into the report, you'll be prompted to add campaigns from your various data sources. So if you go into Facebook, for example, you'll be prompted with the various accounts you may have or the different campaigns in your account. Click on the one that you want to add to this report. One note for Facebook specifically, you have a choice of either combining your Instagram campaigns under your Facebook data source or breaking them out separately as another data source. So if you keep this box checked, then Instagram statistics will be included under your Facebook data source, or if you uncheck this, then you can add Instagram as a separate data source. So let's uncheck for now and say add account completely. And now if we go into Instagram, we can add our Instagram campaigns and add account completely. Next, what you can do is say view report. So you can start building out your report. Initially, you will start off with a blank report where you can add custom widgets or any default widgets to get started. But the first step you want to do after clicking view report is actually define what your metrics mean in the config metrics. Think of this as a library for defining the definition for each of your metrics, especially those metrics such as clicks and conversions, because they can mean different things on different platforms. So if you go into clicks, for example, we can see that clicks right now is defined as Facebook link clicks. And this may or may not be your definition, or your definition might be Facebook social clicks, website clicks, unique link clicks, and so on. And this is the panel where you can define that. So what you want to focus on here is first selecting the data source, second selecting the metric, and third selecting how you want to define this metric, and fourth defining it here in the mapping panel. You want to also probably do this for conversions, for example. Say if you want to define your conversions as a purchase. So we can click the edit button, name this purchase conversions, hit OK. And now we can go through the different purchase conversions that are available here, for example, and define your conversions accordingly. Next, let's go into Instagram and do the same thing. What does a purchase conversion mean in the Instagram panel? And if you go into clicks, you might want to do the same thing here. Just go in and define that. Next, you want to press save and close once you're done. And now we can compare all your different metrics in a very standardized way so that we know, regardless of platform, a conversion means the exact same thing, a click means the exact same thing, and we're comparing apples to apples. Once you click save and close, you'll be prompted with, again, an empty report where you can add default widgets, or you can click to add widgets and customize your report. I'm going to jump forward to a pre-populated report so that we can start over with something more defined for this specific demo. Here in this report, you can see we've already created some widgets, which are super easy to create. All you have to do is say add widget, select what type of widget you'd like to make. For example, say chart. You can even include different widgets like stats, pie chart, tables, comments, so on, but chart would be an easy one for us to demo at the moment. And maybe we can select the different types of data sources we want to include. So let's say if we want only a social specific chart, we can say social trends. And here in this specific trends chart, we can actually say what different type of metrics we want to show, what the colors are, what the axes show, and so on, and hit apply. Every time you add a widget, it'll be added to the bottom of your report. You can easily resize it, move it up and down, and so on. I can go into further detail in additional demos about how to customize widgets, set up your reports, but this demo should help you get started really quickly and start using your platform.